session I am going to explain you about in trigonometry. This is the second session which is known as trigonometric ratios of compound angles. So these are the formulas regarding to the compound angles. Actually, what is meant by the compound angle? Compound angle is the algebraic sum of the two or more angles. Like A is one angle and B is one angle. Like sum of these two or more angles is known as compound angle. The sum of these two or more angles is known as compound angle. Either it may be A plus B plus C also. So these are the formulas related to the compound angles. And at the end of this video, I have given the each and every formula related with the trigonometry. So in each and every session, I will give you a heading and formulas related to the topic and sums related to the topic. Okay, and as this trigonometry is not that much of theory, so I can't explain you anything. We have to perform the problems according to the formulas only. Okay, now let us see some of the formulas. Here cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and tan A plus B will become as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, and sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, which will be equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cot A plus B is equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot A minus B is equal to cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B will become as sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. And cos A plus B into cos A minus B will become as cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus. So the first problem is tan 70 minus tan 20 is equal to 2 tan 50. So how to do this problem? Let us take as tan 50 is equal to, we can write this tan 50 as how much? 70 minus 20. Am I right? So how this tan 70 minus 20 is looking like? Is this in the form of tan A minus B? Yes. What is tan A minus B? Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, write down. What is tan A? A is 70 whereas B is 20. Right. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20. Okay, here will be tan 50. So send this 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20 to the left hand side. Then what will become? Tan 50 into 1 plus tan 70 tan 20 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Next, multiply with it. Tan 50 plus tan 50 tan 70 into tan 20 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. So what will become? Now instead of this step, tan 50 1 plus tan 70. So what this will become as? We can write 20 as 90 minus 70. Am I right? We can write this 20 as 90 minus 70. that will be equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Next, tan 50 into 1 plus tan 70. What is 90 minus theta? 90 minus theta is first quadrant. First quadrant what? All are positive. This is in the all silver teacups which I have given in last session. So 90 minus theta is of first quadrant and it is positive, and as this is odd number we have to change it into cot 70 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Tan 50 1 plus tan 70, we can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta. That is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Cancel tan 70, tan 70. 1 plus 1 will become as 2. 2 tan 50 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Okay? Yeah, by taking the formula of tan of A minus B, we have solved this problem. Let's see another problem. What is the another problem? Now we will see the another problem in the compound angles. One is cos A is equal to 5 by 13, sin B is equal to 4 by 5. What is sin A plus B? What is sin A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know we have already have cos A and sin B which is given in question. And we don't know what is meant by sin A and what is meant by cos B. Let's find out. So first we will take a right angle triangle where it is equal to theta. So what is meant by the cos theta? Cos theta is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 5 by 30. This is A, B, C. So you know that what is meant by hypotenuse? Formula. AC square is equal to AB square minus AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? 169 and AB square is 25 plus BC square. BC square is equal to 169 minus 25, 144. BC is equal to 12 and where BC will be equal to 12. Now let's take another right angle triangle for sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side of theta will be this one and hypotenuse will be this one. So ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? 25 is equal to AB square is AB square plus BC square is 16. AB square is equal to 25 minus 16, 9. AB will be equal to 3. Okay. Now this is equal to cos and this will be, and this diagram will be of sin. So we already have what is cos A. Cos A is 5 by 30. Let's find out sin A. Sin A means what? What is meant by the sin theta? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? 12 by hypotenuse means 13. Let's get into this. We already have the sin B and we don't have cos B. Cos B will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? 3 by what is hypotenuse? 5. 3 by 5. Let's get into the formula. So what is sin A? 12 by 13. And what is cos B? 3 by 5. And what is cos A? 5 by 13. And what is sin B? 4 by 5. Let's multiply. 12 3s are 36 by 13 5s are 65 plus 5 4s are 20 by 65. LCM is what? 65. 36 plus 20, 56 by 65. And this will be the answer. Let's get into the another problem. Here another problem is a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Okay, a plus b is equal to pi by 4. So we have to find out 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. We have to prove this. We have to prove 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. How to prove it? Already they have given in the question that a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Then apply tan on both sides. Okay, apply tan. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan of pi by 4. What is tan a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. What is tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1. Send this 1 minus tan a tan b to the right hand side. Tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. Send this minus tan a tan b to the left hand side. Tan a tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. Let us think this as first equation. Okay? Let us think this will be as first equation and leave it. So what they have given in the question in order to prove this LHS as RHS. Let us take that LHS. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. What is 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b? Multiply. 1 into 1 will become 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. Here from the equation 1, tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. Tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1 from the first equation. So substitute in it. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 means what? It is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. And this is the end of this session of compound angles. In next session we will continue the another part of the trigonometry. Okay, thank you.